Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So, this is my new truck. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to build a Tesla Cybertruck. So, we already got the Cybertruck right here. So, I'm going to go and max this thing out like I always. Okay, I only have like $3,000. I'm going to get some money. I'll see you in a second. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and customize this. We're going to do the body here. This thing has a couple extra bumpers, like this one here, or that actually can make it look mad. Like that? I don't know. I don't like that. Yeah, I think I'll go with that. Um, yeah, no, this. Oh, like image changes that. Or we can make it like this. We can do it like that, or like that. That's like a mom car kind of thing. Uh, oh, we can make it convertible, or no, Uh, I like this one here. I like that. I'm gonna go with the blue headlights, like always. If I want to, I can make this a blue. Uh, okay, I don't think this is built to be a daily, so, of course, we gotta put the side steps on, like always. I'm gonna put that on there. Very electric, like. I like that one. Nah, I don't want one. And then, no, I don't know. Nah, maybe a light bulb. No, I'm fine. I don't know what to do. A winch maybe? I like that. Yeah, I like that. Oh, the front looks mad. Seriously, that looks mad. Uh, wait, I can do that. I'll do that. Wait, this thing's supposed to be electric, so now. Wait, does this thing actually really make sound because it's supposed to be electric? Oh well. The paint. We could do the classic gray if I wanted. Like, I might do the classic gray. Like that, like classic gray. I'm gonna go black. I'm gonna go black. I like that. Let's see what we will do for tires. I really don't know. Like, there's a lot of options. I think I might go with, I think I'll go with, what if I want, does this look good? I'll just go with the regular tires, actually. Wow. Oh, well, this was quicker now. Oh, there. Now I'm going to mess up the rim or we got here. Uh, I did. Oh, that looks nice. That looks nice there. And did I just pass it? Is that the front? Yeah, that's the front one. There's chrome. Yeah, that might be another. Ooh, I'll do like a white chrome. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. Chrome. There we go. I like that. I like that a lot. I know. Oh, I could put a Tesla on the back because Cybertruck's a Tesla. So I'm gonna go here. Text. And let me go. Okay, I have to go right, so I'm gonna go text and my uh, uh, test. What? Tesla, I think. Okay. Oh no. Save. Tesla. So I'm gonna move this room. And bam. So it's Tesla. I like it. So we're gonna go ahead and test this thing out. Oh, sheesh. That's 21. Oh, yeah, 21,000. That's a lot of money. So we're gonna test this thing out. Oh yeah, I don't have my sound bar. Oh, bro, I like this. I like this a lot. Come on. Oh, I could have made that. I think I could. Come on. There we go. I'm gonna go. Oh, I'm running 60 miles per hour. I like this. Oh, I like this truck a lot. I like it a lot. I'm really liking this truck. This is a good truck. I didn't I didn't know how good the Cybertruck actually was. There's yeah. Hit that. Oh, okay. Yeah, this truck's amazing. I didn't even know it run this good. Oh yes! Oh, now I think you literally now need the membership for this truck. There it goes. Okay, turn, turn, turn. Okay. Where's this? Wrong way. Okay, that's the wrong way. Okay. Um, okay. I'm gonna go through here. Actually, wait, no, I'm gonna do something else. What I'm gonna do is oh, so I'm gonna go through here. Uh, right. So I'm gonna go up that ramp there. You see? Come on. Oh, okay. Come on. Come on. This is. I hate the drift on this. Come on. So this thing's actually really fast. Oh, I see it on. Let's go. Oh yeah, bro. Thing. I like this a lot. Thing picks up speed really quickly. Oh, it's like, oh, here we go. Yay! Oh, yeah, yeah. We're gonna go through here and. Oh, I do a flip. Oh, I did a flip. I did a flip. Yeah, okay. So I will see you guys next time. Toodaloo!